I hate news, bro. Messed up my setup. I had a perfect, amazing, beautiful setup today, and news had to come and mess it up, of course, of course. Oops. Mm. All right. So this news was the ADP non-farm employment change at 7:15 a.m. And it caused my trading setup to be ruined. So let's look at it. All right. So this was the London low. I had it marked out. Lows a move down, then move up. This is the lowest point in London. That's a move down, then move up. So boom. I start the day off in the 5-minute time frame. We tap into it. I'm looking for confirmation. Boom. IFG. Scale down. Boom. We get equilibrium plus this 5-minute fair value gap. Scale down to 1 minute. Boom. We tap in to the 5-minute fair value gap. But now we're waiting for a 1-minute confirmation. We almost broke structure here, but we didn't quite. And then we broke structure here, but that was the whole setup because we went to London High. And then I don't want to take a trade with RR all the way down here. So I just said, I hate news, bro. So I just said, nope, we're not going to trade today and called it good. So yeah, that's the recap. Profitability does not mean taking more trades. So that's why. That's why I'm profitable. Yeah, that's why I'm profitable, dude. Because I just don't take stupid trades that I know that I shouldn't be taking. So, yeah. All right. See ya.